Let's assume that you already downloaded the installation file for the Target Decision Suite, this one. So let's just run it from here. That will give you an opportunity to install the full Target Decision Suite. So let's try to do that. Install. Accept the license agreement. So now you need a license. Either you already got an existing license, or you can go here and request a new demo license, and this demo license will be valid for 30 days. In the next steps, you just need to fill in your personal information here and then request the license. So once we've done that, we can go to the next step. Here you can change the paths if you need to, but otherwise just go to the next step. And now you can pick the components that you want to install. The Target server and the Target client are the most important ones. Without those, you won't have anything running. So at this point, let's just install those two main components. And go next here, install. And we'll just need to wait for that one to complete. And with this, the installation has completed. Now you can just click the exit button and then go into your Windows Start menu. We can start looking for the Target installation. If you scroll down a bit, you should be able to find a Target folder with a Target shortcut. So click that, and that will bring up the login screen. You want to log on to your local host. We installed everything on the local host server, so just do a login from here. Since this is the first time we are starting up the client, it will actually download the client from the server and install the end user client on your PC. So it should have done that in a few seconds from now. It's actually starting the client right now. And you'll just need to log on with your Windows credentials. So we're doing that and waiting for the interface to start. The first thing you see here is what we call a splash screen. It gives you some options to do a quick tutorial, or maybe look into documentation, or maybe some training here. This is the link for the training. But otherwise, this splash screen, you can also choose that you don't want to see it again the next time you log onto a client, so you can put a check mark in the lower left corner. So this is the actual Target client. And if we go over here to open the shared folder, Target demo folder, and look into the sales folder, we see a number of documents here. Currently we're seeing a detailed list, but we can also view them as thumbnails like this. So now you can just go and double click any of these, like the salesperson's dashboard here, to open that particular document.